Hey guys, this is Alan. I'm doing a quick episode of Ride Along Realtor. With the weather changing in North Texas, it reminded me we need to pay attention to winterizing our house. Now, you can do some things on the exterior like cleaning out gutters, make sure water's not standing around the house so it doesn't freeze. But one of the things that you need to pay attention to are your pipes, interior and exterior. On the outside, you can buy some of these and put them on your faucets. You can also wrap them up with towels and put duct tape around it while it freezes, especially in the 20s. Whatever you do, make sure you remove any water hoses from the faucets. Got to take those off because it causes them to freeze up against the pipe, and you'll have a broken pipe when it starts to warm up, and all of a sudden you've got water pouring throughout your walls. So pay attention to that. The other thing you can do is under your kitchen sinks or any sinks, make sure you open the cabinet doors and put a small drip on of water. The reason you do that is standing water freezes faster than running water. It's like with rivers. You notice they freeze slower than lakes. What you want to do is make sure it's dripping a little bit to keep it from freezing.